If Google Chrome is not responding on Windows 11, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can get Chrome working again fast. We'll start with the quickest solutions first, then move into deeper fixes for frozen profiles, graphics issues, and driver problems. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, if Chrome is completely frozen and won't close normally, you need to force kill the process using Task Manager, press Ctrl, Shift, and S at the same time to open Task Manager. If it opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see all running processes. Under the Processes tab, look for Google Chrome. You may see more than one Chrome process, and that's normal because Chrome runs with multiple tabs and background tasks. Right-click Google Chrome and select End Task. If you see several Chrome entries, you can end them one by one or end the main group. Once that's done, try launching Chrome again and see if it opens normally. If Chrome still refuses to respond, the next thing to try is running it with administrator privileges. Sometimes Windows 11 security settings, permissions, or file access conflicts can stop Chrome from starting properly. Find your Google Chrome shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Chrome launches correctly this way, that's a strong sign the issue is related to permissions. In that case, right-click the Chrome shortcut again, go to Properties, open the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. This can save you from having to repeat the process every time. Now, if Chrome opens but freezes when loading videos, images, or heavier websites, the problem could be hardware acceleration. This feature helps Chrome use your graphics card, but sometimes it causes crashing or unresponsiveness on certain systems. To turn it off, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. On the left side, click System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and toggle it off. Then click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new setting. After it reopens, test a few websites and see if the freezing is gone. If Chrome is still acting up, the next fix is to clear or reset the local AppData cache by renaming the Chrome profile folder. A corrupted local profile can cause Chrome to hang on launch or become permanently unresponsive. Press Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %local appdata %Google Chrome and press Enter. This will take you directly to Chrome's local folder. Look for the folder named User Data. This folder stores your profile information, settings, and cached files. Right-click it and rename it to something like User Data Backup. If you see a specific profile folder causing the issue, you can rename that as well. This does not delete your personal files immediately, but it forces Chrome to create a fresh new profile the next time it opens. That often fixes stubborn launch problems caused by corruption. Another important thing to check is whether Windows 11 or your graphics driver needs an update. Outdated drivers can cause applications like Chrome to freeze, especially if you use video-heavy websites or multiple tabs. Open Settings by pressing Windows key and I. Then go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install anything that is available and restart your PC if needed. After that, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, then right-click your graphics card, whether it's Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, and choose Update Driver. Let Windows search automatically for the latest driver. If an update is found, install it and restart your computer again. Keeping both Windows and your graphics drivers updated can solve a lot of Chrome performance issues. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the problem. If Chrome still isn't responding, it may be worth checking for extensions that are causing conflicts, or trying a full Chrome reset. But in most cases, force closing the app, running as administrator, turning off hardware acceleration, clearing the local profile cache, and updating Windows and drivers will do the trick. If this video helped you get Google Chrome working again on Windows 11, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials. It helps the channel a lot, and it also tells me to make more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.